Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making some lime jello parfaits. So if you're interested in seeing how I make them, then just keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to need is 6 ounces of lime jello or any flavor you'd like, 4 cups of water, and 2 cups of any whipped cream such as Cool Whip, or what I'm using is Pastry Pride. You then want to heat up 2 cups of water until it reaches boiling point. Once the water starts boiling, you want to add your jello and you want to mix it until it dissolves completely. Once the jello has dissolved, you want to add the other 2 cups of water and let it cool for a couple minutes. Then you want to grab your cups. I'm using 5-ounce cups. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase them, and you want to put them on a baking sheet. Next, you want to take some of the jello and set aside 2/3 cups. With a 1/4 measuring cup, you want to start distributing the jello onto each cup. Once you have filled each cup, you want to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours until they set. In a bowl, you're going to mix together the 2 cups of whipped cream and the 2/3 cups of jello, and you're going to fold them until you form a mousse. Then you're going to cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator until the jellos are set. Once the jello has set, you're going to take them out of the refrigerator as well as the mousse and put the mousse in a pastry bag with a Wilton 2A tip and start adding the mousse on top of the jellos. Once you have placed the mousse on each cup, you're going to take more whipped cream and put it in a pastry bag with the Wilton 1M tip, and you're going to just start piping swirls or rosettes, whatever you prefer, on top of the mousse. Then you can decorate the parfaits however you'd like, and you're all set. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below any more recipes that you'd like to see. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.